Okay, so welcome back. This is kind of a test video. I'm trying out a new microphone setup. So my buddy Mark was at Target a few days ago, and he said, hey, they have these in stock, come get them. So I rushed over there mid-dinner, picked up some boxes. Now, these are only 2 packs, which I was kind of disappointed because I thought they were like the 6-pack ones. Kind of like how Pokemon does it, I guess. So, yeah, nothing too crazy. I do like how it does say that there are 2 special Dawn cards, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm just going to kind of go quickly, and I'm doing this video more so as like trying to see if the audio is like messed up or whatever. Oh my god. And then I'm going to open up 2 packs, or 3 technically, and then I'm going to pause the video and reset it, and I'm going to just take a quick peek at how the audio levels look, and how they like play back, just to make sure I don't record the entire video, you know, shittily. It's a cool Dawn card. I like the foiling on that. So I think the next video I'm going to make after this one, this upcoming weekend, is kind of going over the current binder I have of set 9 and showing you guys which cards I'm missing and which ones I'm kind of going for. I kind of have a mental note because I spent a lot of time last night kind of going through and organizing the whole binder kind of in order. And I already got this Shanks card. Coincidentally, I need the parallel one of this one. So I think I'll go over and tell you guys kind of how the collection's going at this point. And I think this weekend I'm going to look into set 4. And I think I'll do another big set 9 unboxing. And I have both of these as well. So I'm going to check the audio really quick, and then I'll just be right back. Okay, so the audio is good, which is nice. So I'm just going to open the second one now. The first one, Jesus, what am I doing? Whatever. It's going to be a fucked up box. You know, one thing that kind of shocked me in my collection was that I'm actually missing the regular Mihawk card. And that one kind of shocked me a little bit. I was like, damn, are you serious? That's one of like, that's not even a rare one. It's like a 20-cent card, and I'm missing it. So it was a little bit agitating, I will say. But I guess that's kind of the, you know, the hunt, so to speak. 2 of the same one. Hopefully I can unbox some kind of Mihawk this time around, because it's like 3 empty spots in a row, so it's a little bit frustrating in the binder. Yeah, I have all of these. Oh, fucking speak of the devil. This is one of the ones I needed. He's gonna go right in the binder the second I finish this video. Now we got the last pack. So again, sorry for just doing 4 packs. This is more of like a audio test kind of deal. Just want to see how it compresses, what it shows up, how I have to like mess with the levels and whatnot. There's a parallel version of this one, yeah. And I have all these. So I am at least happy that I'll be able to put this guy in there, and that'll be one less spot that I'm missing. Sorry for the hands, by the way. These are post-work hands. I already took a shower, but the grease isn't really coming off, but I promise I'm not damaging the cards. All right, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.